Tonight, we give way to our letter sender, Ms. Ritz de Guzman. Her problem stems from a property she bought, which ventilation was affected when her new neighbor constructed a fence around their perimeter. Her letter reads as follows. We bought a property within the perimeter of the subdivision in Angeles City. For some reason, this faces the main road and is not considered a part of the subdivision. In the original plan, I am aware that we have a corner lot. In the original plan, there is a road adjacent to our property which was never used, as far as she knows. This road was closed by a wall which starts where our property ends. So there is a bit of road that sticks out towards the perpendicular to the main road. This corner position easily provides us good ventilation and light. Recently, however, there was someone who built a wall or a property behind us. I would have been happy except they have enclosed our house with a high wall on all three sides. What used to be a corner is now gone and we are left with a dark and poorly ventilated place. Our only opening is the front that faces the main road. My questions are, could I demand that they free our corner? Could they actually sell the road space if it was defined as a road in the original plan of the subdivision? If so, could I have the right of first refusal if they actually sold that road space? What used to be a nice property became so dark and hot with the introduction of those high walls on all three sides. I believe that my property value also went down due to this. I do not know what to do now. Please help. Ms. Ritz, the Supreme Court has rendered numerous decisions similar to your case. The provisions of law applicable to your case are Articles 581 and 82 of the Civil Code. 581 says, the owner of a wall which is not a party wall adjoining another's estate may make it in windows or openings to admit light at the height of the ceiling joists or immediately under the ceiling of the dimensions of 30 centimeters square, and in any case with an iron grate embedded on the wall and a wire screen. However, the owner of the house or estate adjoining the wall in which the openings are made may close them if he acquires the part ownership of the wall and should there be no agreement to the contrary. According to the 2006 decision of the Supreme Court in a similar case, he may also obstruct them by building on his land or raising a wall adjacent to that having such opening or window. In Article 582, it states that windows with direct views or balconies or any similar openings projecting over your property cannot be made if there is not a distance of at least 2 meters between the wall in which they are built. Neither can side nor oblique views be opened over said property unless there is a distance of 60 centimeters. With regard to your question on whether you have the right of first refusal over that portion of land where there was a roadway, our answer would be in the negative. In Presidential Decree 1216, it was declared that open spaces, roads, alleys, and sidewalks in a residential subdivision are for public use and beyond the commerce of man. Thus, you cannot exercise the right of first refusal. Thank you for sending us your questions via email. If you have any legal concerns that are not yet pending before the courts, please do not hesitate to email us at ptv4newscenter@gmail.com. This has been Attorney J.J. Jimeno Atienza for the Rule of Law.